Today's video is inspired by the Jersey Shore Boardwalk. I just got back from my trip to the beach at Wildwood, New Jersey. I bought some mango fish tacos from a bar and grill restaurant on the beach. I'm going to try to make my own version of these fish tacos using the Ninja Woodfire Smoker Grill. Okay, so I'm going to be using tilapia, and I'm going to spray some extra virgin olive oil onto the fish. Then I'm going to put on my level up ingredient. It's this chili pepper lime seasoning. It's an optional ingredient. You don't have to use it. But in my opinion, it helps to enhance the flavor profile of the fish. So you just want to make sure that you thoroughly season your fish. And then you want to do the same thing on the opposite side of the fish. All right, so now it's time to start cutting up the toppings for the tacos. I have some cilantro, green onions, 1 lime, 1 Roma tomato, and I have a piece of grilled mango that I grilled earlier. So now I have everything chopped up and ready. I'm going to make a simple crema sauce using a 1/2 cup of sour cream, and now I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of diced cilantro. Next, I'm going to squeeze in 1 tablespoon of lime juice. If you want more lime, you can always squeeze a lime wedge on top of your tacos. So now you just stir everything together until the sauce looks like this. So now I'm going to bring out the cabbage. I got this tricolor coleslaw bag of shredded cabbage. It has the green and red cabbage, but it also has carrots in it. I don't mind the carrots, but for demonstration purposes, I picked out the carrots so that you can see how the tacos look with and without the carrots in them. If you don't want carrots, then you can always just chop up your own cabbage. All right, so now it's time to use the grill. I'm just going to turn the dial to the grill setting. I'm just going to heat up some of the tortillas first, so I'm not going to add any smoke. I'm just going to set the time down to 4 minutes. Then I'm going to hit the start button, and then it's going to start to preheat. All right, so now it says to add food. Alright, so you have to really keep your eyes on these because you only need to heat these up for 30 seconds. Or else they'll get puffy and crispy. Please subscribe to my channel so you can watch more sightseeing savings recipe tips and tricks. Now these are done. I just want them on long enough just to get some grill marks on them. That's all. Now I'm ready to cook the fish. So I'm going to use the all-purpose blend Ninja Woodfire pellets to get some smoke on the fish. All you need is 1 cup of the pellets and you put it in the pellet hopper box. All I have to do now is press the Woodfire Flavor Technology button to get smoke. I'm going to use this grilling spray so the fish won't stick on the grill. Okay, so I just put the fish on the grill. You can hear it sizzling. So this should cook for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. It's been about 4 minutes and now it's time to flip over the fish. It's looking good. Now I know that grill spray doesn't work because the fish is still sticking to the grill plate. But that's okay because I'm going to break up the fish into pieces when I put them in the tacos. So this looks done. But you can always double check with your meat thermometer. The internal temperature is supposed to be 145 degrees. But I can eyeball it and tell that this is definitely done. And I'm getting ready to take the fish off of the grill. Here are the grilled tortillas. And now it's time to assemble the tacos. So now I'm just going to break up the fish into pieces. See how flaky the fish looks? Now I'm going to put the purple and green shredded cabbage on. And the last taco is going to have the carrots mixed in. So I put some of the diced tomatoes on 2 of the tacos. And I'm going to put some of the diced mangoes on the last taco. I'm doing this just so I can have a variety of different flavors. And now I'm just going to garnish this with some of those diced green onions. The last step is to top this off with some of that cilantro crema sauce. I can see some of the grill marks on the fish, so I don't want to cover that part up. So I already took a bite of this fish taco. I think mine tastes better than the fish tacos that I had at the beach. It just has more flavor on it. I can taste the seasonings on the fish. So the fish is still the star of the show. If you don't want to use tilapia, you can use another white fish like codfish. And I'm trying to find interesting ways to eat more vegetables. So this is something that I can definitely do. Now I have a bag of grilled mangoes. I might try to make some mango ice pops with these leftover mangoes. But I'll show you how I cook these mangoes on the grill. So I start off by peeling a mango with a vegetable peeler. Then I start to cut the cheeks of the mango. So I was able to cut about 5 pieces. And these are getting ready to go onto the grill. I only cook these for 1 minute on each side without smoke. Now it's time to flip these over. See how I got some nice grill marks? It's countdown time. Alright, this is good enough. I just wanted to cook the mangoes on long enough just to bring out the natural sweetness of the fruit. Okay, and now it's time for me to finish eating this food. Thanks for watching.